In daily use, workshops, factories and industrial settings, stuck screws, rusted surfaces and squeaky mechanisms are no longer a problem. Rust, dirt and stuck components not only waste time, but also damage your equipment. But now the solution is simple. Winkel Multi-Signum Spray features a high-performance formula that instantly loosens stuck parts, prevents rust and protects surfaces. Its specially designed nozzle ensures precise spraying control with no unnecessary dispersion, removes and prevents rust, keeping metal surfaces protected for a long time, reduces friction on moving parts and prevents wear, shields against moisture and water, delaying rust formation. Fast-drying formula leaves no greasy residue, whether at home, in a workshop or on industrial machinery. Winkel Multi-Signum Spray is your indispensable assistant for effortless maintenance and repair. Say goodbye to rust, friction and stuck parts with Winkel Multi-Signum Spray.